Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to change the content language on LinkedIn, step by step. If you've ever wanted to browse LinkedIn in a different language, whether for personal comfort or professional reasons, it's actually quick and easy to set up. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Once it's open, look to the very top left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture right there. Go ahead and tap on it. Next, you'll notice a menu opening up with different options. From here, you'll want to head into Settings. This is where LinkedIn keeps all the controls that allow you to customize your account, preferences, notifications, and more. Inside the settings, tap on Account Preferences. This section is all about tailoring your LinkedIn experience, and it's where you'll find the language settings we need. Scroll a little until you see Content Language. This option controls the language in which LinkedIn shows you posts, updates, and text across the app. Simply tap on it. Now you'll see a choice called Change. All you have to do is tap on Change, and then scroll through the list of available languages. LinkedIn supports a wide variety of languages, so whether you're switching to English, Spanish, French, German, or another option, you should be able to find it easily. Once you see your desired language, tap on it to select. And that's it. The app will refresh, and your LinkedIn feed, menus, and content will now appear in the language you've chosen. It's a small tweak, but it makes a big difference if you're working in an international environment or simply want to see content in the language you're most comfortable with. So the next time you feel like switching, just remember those simple steps: profile picture, settings, account preferences, content language, change, and choose your new language. Thanks for watching.